Shubh, what are you watching?
A solar eclipse.
Are you able to see through this?
Yes, it blocks the extra UV so that my eyes don't get sunburned.
Okay, can you show me? How does it look?
Yes, this is the black UV blocking patch.
Is it mentioned anywhere that it is blocking the sun rays?
I don't think so. No, I don't think it is not mentioning anywhere.
Okay, so when you saw it, how was the sun looking like?
The sun was looking like a Pac-Man.
Huh? Like a Pac-Man. Okay. That means it was not visible fully. Now it wasn't round, right?
You couldn't exactly see the moon, but like the sun's shape was changed a bit.
Okay, how is it? How many are there with you?
Two.
Two.
You need to look through two of them so that you can see the sun clearly.
Okay, so it will be better for your eyes, right?
If you look through one, then also your eyes will be burned.
Okay, can you show me better? Okay, now just let us try to see through this, but I don't think I'll be able to capture it, right? Okay. Will I be able to capture
I
it?
don't know, try.
We can just try this.
Should I hold the camera?
Yeah, I am able to see. I am able to show that. Yeah, little bit. Yes, see, look at that. Look, yeah.
Oh yes, that
Yes.
dot.
Yes, the sun is not round. Now you can just see that. What is the solar eclipse exactly? Do you know? Do you know what is solar eclipse?
Huh?
What is solar eclipse?
A solar eclipse is when the moon decides to come in between of the sun.
Come this
and
side.
Earth.
Come this side.
This time it is partial solar eclipse.
Yeah, that's why it's not covering fully. Otherwise, what happens?
Only the penumbra, umbra, such things of the sun will be visible.
Okay, so right now it is partial solar eclipse.
Yes, so the actual sun will be
And in
visible.
India, in Gujarat, in Vadodara, we are not able to see it
Yes.
that properly. But we still, through this, I just checked it. We are able to see. And the part of it, the eclipse is there. Yes, are you able to see that? Little bit. Just check. Look. Am I able to show it? Look, come here.
Yes, I already saw through the real thing. I don't need to see from the
Yeah, but no, because these crackers will keep on bursting. It is not for you, but for others. Like, is my lens... Okay, let us check through one. Let's see this. Through one. It's not round.
I told you, you can't see from one. You can only see from both of them.
No. We are able to... Look, it is blocked. It's not looking round.
If you try to look with your actual eye with
Okay,
just
so-
one, then your eyes will have a bad.
Okay, so this is how it is. These are kind of German glasses which we are using. In factories also it is used, right?
Yes.
To check the color of the flame. Okay, so this was kind of useful for us.